Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build the MCA free Weebly website. Okay, just follow on this video. I'm going to show you how to make a high converting MCA Weebly website. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to weebly.com and you're going to make an account. After you make your account, it's going to send you here. And from here, you're just going to go. And the site we're going to be building, when you're all done, your site is going to end up looking like this. Okay, it's going to look like this. Very simple, good looking site for you to send all your prospects who are interested in MCA. This website is going to do all the selling for you, so you don't have to sit there explaining everything to them. Okay, so what you're going to do is, first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick this, the south corner theme. What you want to do is start editing. Just wait for this page to load up. And you're going to pick a subdomain, not the new domain. This one you have to pay for. You're going to pick the subdomain. It's free. So you can make it up whatever you want to be. You can put like your initials. I'll just put MC marketing. It's not available. So I'll put Markens MCA site. Just make up anything as you like. I'll save it like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to pages and you're going to delete these pages. Delete it. You only need one page for this. You're going to rename the home page to associate, whatever your name is. You can see mine says associate Markens Castelly. You can change yours to whatever you want yours to be. You're going to go back. See, it's going to change. All right. Now what you're going to do is go to the page again, go to the header, and you're going to put no header. Okay. It's going to get rid of all that in the background. Go back to the page build. And what you're going to do now is, what you're going to do now is you're going to change the logo at the top. And so what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to mcatemplate.weebly.com. This is a template I've made for you guys to use. Okay, so all you're basically doing is just copy and pasting. What you're going to do is you're going to left click or right click. I'm on a Mac, so I actually click controls. If you're on Windows, I think it's left click. And you're going to just save the MCA logo. You're going to save it as an image. Once you save it, you're going to have it saved here. You're going to go back to this, and you're going to trash this. You're going to remove it. What you're going to do is you're going to click on logo. You're going to upload the picture. Okay? And I'll have it saved right here, MCA logo. See, and that's how you have that right there. Then you're going to delete all of these boxes right here. Delete it. Make sure you delete all the boxes so there's no boxes in there at all. delete the background. So make sure you delete everything. Alright, now we got everything deleted. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to the MCA website that I showed you to go to. We're going to add this video onto your page. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and then go to YouTube. I'm going to drag over the YouTube video. You don't want it to be huge like this. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click on here. You're going to copy video URL. Now you have that video saved. You're just going to go back. You're going to click on the video. You're going to paste it inside the video URL. Now the video is inside of here. But what you want to do is you're going to go to Advanced. Click on the video again. Go to the setting. Go to Advanced. You want to change the size. Okay, you don't want it to be this big. So we're going to make it, let me see what I have it on. Extra large. Extra large is the size you want it to be, alright? Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the video again. And you're going to go back to the website, the MCA template website. And you're going to copy this button right here. You're going to right click it. You're going to save it as an image. Okay? Once you save it, you just go back here. What you're going to do is you're going to add the image. You're going to add an image right underneath here. Alright? You're going to click on the upload image and upload from your computer that same button that you just saved. Okay? It's going to look like this. Alright? Now, after you do that, you're going to go back here again. You're going to add this, the text. So you're going to copy this text, edit, copy. You're going to add text right underneath it. You're going to paste it, just like that. See? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back again. We're going to copy this. This is the title. I'll copy it. I take the title and put it right underneath like this. And paste it. Then we're going to center it. Alright. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a divider. Make it look a little bit nicer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a spacer underneath that. That looks a lot nicer. So you get this look right here. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this text right here. Edit, copy. And take the text and put it right underneath. You paste it, and you're going to center it. So that it looks like this. Okay? Then we're going to add a space underneath it. We're going to add another title underneath the space. We're going to add this. How does it work? We're going to center it. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to add another title. And underneath that, it's going to be step 1. You want to center it. Okay? Now, you're going to right click on this again. If you're on a Mac, you're gonna click Control. You're gonna save the image. After you save the image, you're gonna go back to your website and take the image, and you're gonna just put it underneath here like this. Then you take the image from outside the computer where you just saved it. And you put it in there. It's gonna look like this. Alright. Now, you're gonna go down. You're gonna copy this part right here. This is just the text. So you're gonna take text, put the text right underneath it. And we're gonna center it. So it looks like that. Okay? Then we're gonna take the step 2. First, we're gonna add a spacer. We're gonna add the title underneath the spacer. Step 2, we're gonna center it. Then we're gonna save this picture. And save it. And go back and insert the image underneath. Upload it. And there you go. Then you have this picture right here. Now go back to the site again. So copy this text. Take the text, put it underneath. Paste it. I'm gonna center it. We're gonna go right back here. We're gonna take a title. Take this. Copy it. I'm gonna put a spacer underneath here. And we want to add our title underneath the spacer. Paste it just like this. Add another spacer to make it look a little better. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, copy it, add our text right underneath, and paste it. What we're going to do is we're going to add a spacer underneath that to make it look a little better. Just like that. Alright, we're almost done with our site. We have a couple more things to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a divider underneath that. Underneath the divider, we're going to add the image. We're just going to add another sign up button. Okay? That's pretty much it for your site. And then what you're going to do now is, now pay very close attention because this part is very important. You're going to see this button right here. You're going to right click it. You're going to copy the link address. Okay? You're going to go back to the button. You're going to click on the image and you're going to link it. Website link. You're going to paste link address. What you're going to do is you see these last numbers at the end of the link. You're going to delete them. You're going to put your MCA ID number. Now to find your MCA ID number, you're going to go to tvcmatrix.com, and right when you log into TVC Matrix, you can click Associates, and next to your name is going to say ID. See my ID number here? It says 152516862. Whatever it says for yours, it's going to copy it. And you're going to put it right at the end of the link. Okay? So right at the end of the link, you're going to put yours. just like that. All right. Once you do that, your link should be working. Okay. So you're gonna copy this again. And you're gonna go back up, and for this one as well, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna link it, website URL, put it just like that. Should be done. Now you're gonna publish your website. Okay. Click continue. Make sure it's set to subdomain. Continue, and your website should be made now. This is your MCA website you can send people to sign them up and whatnot. Just make sure that everything is working correctly. So you're gonna click on the site. You're gonna come here. They're gonna go for information, and what you can do is you're gonna click the steps just to make sure that it's sending them to your link. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click it, and when you click it, it should send them to this MCA checkout. And the checkout should say your associate, and it should say your name right here. Your name should be right here. If your name is not right here, you did something wrong, okay? Because you want to make sure when they sign up to you, so you're getting credit for this, okay? So make sure that your name is showed here as associate, all right? And then you're gonna check that. Once that's working right, you're gonna go back to the bottom one. You're gonna make sure this link is working the same way as well. That's showing your name like that as well. And if you do that and it's showing all that, then that means that you did it correctly and your site is set up and you're ready to roll. This is a good, simple MCA Weebly website to use. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. And that's pretty much it. So if you need anything else, you can reach out to me on Facebook, Markens Castelly. I think I have my link in the description on the bottom of this video. I also have a free training group as well. I'll have that also in the bottom of this video, where I put this free MCA training group that I have. You can also join that, where I'll be giving free tips out every week or so that'll help you out inside of your MCA business. Let me know if this video helped you. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. If there's anything that you need help with, just comment below. I'll help you out with that. All right. That's pretty much it.